Hey everyone! Let's whip up a delicious chicken lo mein in just minutes with RoboSousChef Cheetah. Let's load the tray. Lo mein sauce for manual insert, tray compartment A with garlic, B with velveted chicken, C with lo mein noodles, and D with veggies. Now gently place the tray into RoboSousChef Cheetah and watch the magic happen. On the screen, you'll see your dish along with all the ingredients. Want to spice it up? Just a few clicks, and you're all set. Now hit start cooking and let the show begin. First, RoboSousChef automatically inserts the oil to heat on a perfect temperature, then chicken from the tray. In no time, RoboSousChef will precisely cook your meal. Inserting garlic from the compartment A, adding each ingredient at the perfect moment for consistent, delicious results every single time. Inserting veggies from D compartment, and finally inserting noodles from compartment C. In between, don't forget to add lo mein sauce manually for that extra depth of flavor. And just like that, your chicken lo mein is ready. Let's plate up and enjoy a perfectly cooked meal with zero effort. RoboSousChef, the automated cooking machine.